Hi friends, welcome to the lecture. Okay, today I am going to discuss about folder structures, how to open, how to execute tests through command line. I will be showing how to run first. We have to specify the node modules. Under node modules, we have been under bin Cypress Run. Using Cypress command run command, we can execute our test cases or test specifications in command prompt. It will not open any browser. These scripts are useful for these scripts are useful for continuous integration. If we are doing continuous integration, we can specify this command. It runs silently. After executing, it prepares some report and let it execute. And while executing, I will show you what is the folder structures. This folders in this folder structure we have Cypress and we have integration, have plugin, have support, and one more folder is called videos. Fixers. What is fixers? Fixers is nothing but your test data, contains all the test data which will be using in integration. Under integration, test specifications. In JavaScript we call test specs specification. Under test specs we can use this test data. In Java we will use Excel or CSV using or even JDBC. Using those we will connect and we load the data and we give it to our test methods, test cases. Here we will be using test JSON file. Through JSON file, we will load the data in our test system. And one more for this is integration test. We gone through here. We will write all our tests. One more folder is plugins. This plugins folder we won't be using much. Here, this plugins folder is used to like if you wanted to handle browser differently, or if you wanted to accept security related. So we can write those code inside browser on off, but we will not be using this plugins folder. And we have one more folder called support. Under support, if you have any reusable code you can write in support. Support this reusable code you can use under integration. And one more folder is videos. Under videos, once your test is execution is completed, all the is completed, it prepares the video of your running video. It will prepare what happened during. I click on the run, I executed run and run starting, printing all the logs. Browser is internal browser is Electron specs one found, right? And running, and one is fast. Total tests are one fast, and this much time it took to finish completely. And video is getting created. Okay, this video you can view it later. 50% is completed. This video we can view it. Yes, sir. We, okay, guys, please remember, you can run your test specs using test runner or using command line. To test runner, to open a test runner, you have to use open node slash dot bin slash cypress, and open command is used to open the test runner. From there you have to select the test runner. To through command line slash node adjust node underscore modules slash dot bin slash cypress run is used to run the test cases without opening the browser. It will by default it chooses the Electron browser. Cypress by default will get all the Electron dependencies, Electron related plugins, everything. All the installation will be there. The Cypress, and it will execute, and we can see all the logs from here, and videos folder is created. I can view it. Let me open this. Reveal in Explorer. I'll play this. I'm going to play this video. During my execution, what happened? Again, I'm going to view. It's opening. Okay, it's executing now. It's open. Yeah, complete video finished. Execution is completed. All the whatever events we are performing through test, all the things will be recorded in video. You can view it. You can see if there is an error. You can see it in the video section. Node modules will have all the node related dependencies. Dot bin. I'm using right node underscore modules slash dot bin slash Cypress. If you see here, there will be Cypress. This is executable Cypress slash Cypress run hyphen hyphen. If you wanted to run in browser, some browser, you can specify here Chrome. If you wanted to run in Firefox, you can specify here Firefox. In, if you are specifying the browser, it opens the browser. It opens the browser, and in browser test cases will be executed. If you don't specify any minus minus browser, it won't open. It runs all things behind the scene, and it creates the video. It put in the videos folder. Even if you put like minus minus browser and specify it, in that case also it in that case it opens the browser and video will be recorded and it will be placed under videos folder. Okay, next going through one more folder called cypress.json file. This cypress.json will contain all it contains all the configuration details, browser timeout, command timeout, execution timeout. Everything will be by default. It will all the values are there. If you wanted to override, we have to specify here cypress.json. I will show you. In test runner, we can see all the default values. Let test runner opens. After opening, I will show you all the default values. If you wanted to open or if you wanted to customize, you can customize. If you wanted to change, if you have different folder, pictures, if you are using different folder, we can customize it. We have different folder for support or plugin, we can customize it. Having very cool feature. Let's take the video, guys. None of the other tool it takes running video. Let's open the test runner. The test runner, you can see settings. Under settings, you can see all the configuration details. This is all the default values. Animation distance hold, base URL. What is the base URL? If you are going to specify plugins file location and videos folder where we have to place all our videos, and task timeout, video compression we have by default it is 32, and execution timeout and default command timeout, crash assets before runs. All we can change it. Even Firefox GC interval we can change it. We'll go through later. We can change it. Okay. Thank you guys.